Hi viewers, today's topic is integration by partial fraction. If the numerator and denominator of an integrand be polynomial x in x, suppose fx by gx, where fx is also a polynomial in x and gx is also a polynomial x, and fx power of fx is less than power of gx, then we can integrate by partial fraction. Suppose fx by gx is equal to 2x plus 3 by x plus 1, x plus 2, 2x minus 7. This can be written as a by x plus 1, b by x plus 2, c by 2x minus 7. Here x plus 1, x plus 2, 2x minus 7 are all linear factors. So for all linear factors, non-repeated linear factors, then we write a by something by x plus 1, something by x plus 2, and others constant c by 2x minus 7. Again, for linear repeated case, suppose 2x square plus 3x plus 5 by x minus 1 whole square, x minus 2 whole cube. This is equal to a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 1 whole square, 2 times repeated, and here x minus 2 is repeated 3 times, so we can write c by x minus 2 d by x minus 2 whole square plus e by x minus 2 whole cube. And after solving this, we can integrate right hand side easily. Case 3, quadratic form in denominator. Suppose fx by gx is equal to x square plus 5x plus 6 by x minus 1 whole square, a square plus 2, a square plus 3. This can be written as a by x minus 1, linear repeated, so b by x minus 1 whole square. Here quadratic form, a square plus 2 is quadratic form, so you can write ch plus d by a square plus 2, and ex for a square plus 3 is ex plus f a square plus 3. Now evaluate 2x plus 1, 2x minus 1 divided by x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 dx by partial fraction. Let 2x minus 1 by x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 equal to, here 3 linear factor, that means a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 2 plus c by x minus 3, or 2x minus 1 equal to, denominator is multiplied on right hand side, x minus 1 cancel, x minus 2 into x minus 3 plus b into x minus 1, x minus 3 plus c, x minus 1, x minus 2. Put x equal to 1 for this 2, and x minus 3 is 0, that means x equal to 3. Successively in 1 we get, first put 1, that means 2 into 1 minus 1 equal to a, 1 minus 2 is minus 1, 1 minus 3 is minus 2, 0 plus 0, or 1 equal to 2a or a equal to half. Again, put x equal to 2 in 1. We get 2 into 2 minus 1, 0 plus b 2 minus 1, 2 minus 3 plus 0 or 3 equal to b 1 into minus 1 or b equal to minus 3. Put x equal to minus 3, x equal to 3 in 1, we get 3 equal to 5 by 2. Therefore, integration of 2x minus 1 dx by x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 is equal to integration of half x minus 1 plus minus 3 by x minus 2 plus 5 by 2 by x minus 3 dx. This is equal to half log x minus 1 minus 3 log of mod x minus 2 plus 5 by 2 log x minus 3 plus c. Answer. Evaluate 3a square plus 5x by x minus 1 into x plus 1 whole square dx by partial fraction. Let 3a square plus 5x by x minus 1 into x plus 1 whole square equal to a by x minus 1, b by x plus 1, c by x plus 1 whole square. Since x plus 1 is a linear factor but repeated 2 times, so take another constant c by x plus 1 whole square, or 3a square plus 5x equal to, this denominator is multiplied on right hand side, we get a x plus 1 whole square, b x minus 1 into x plus 1 plus c x minus 1. Now put x equal to 1 in equation 1, we get 3 into 1 square plus 5 into 1, a 1 plus 1 whole square, 0 plus 0, 5 plus 3 8 by 2 square 4, or a equal to 8 by 4, that is 2, or a equal to 2. Again, put x equal to minus 1 in 1. This equal to 3 minus 1 whole square plus 5 minus 1, a 0, b 0, c minus 1 minus 1. This equal to left hand side minus 2, c into minus 2, or c equal to 1. Again, put x equal to 0 in 1, we get 3 into 0 square plus 5 into 0 equal to a plus b into minus 1 plus c minus 1, or 0 equal to a minus b minus c, or 0 equal to, since a equal to 2, put minus b, c is here 1, or b is 1. Therefore, integration of 3a square plus 5x by x minus 1 into x plus 1 whole square dx equal to integration of a by x minus 1 plus b by x plus 1 plus c by x plus 1 whole square dx. This is equal to 2 by x minus 1 plus 1 by x plus 1 plus 1 by x plus 1 whole square dx. This is equal to 2 by x minus 1, integration is 2 log x minus 1 plus log x minus 1 plus minus 1 by x minus 1 plus c. This is equal to 2 log x minus 1 plus 2 log x minus 1 log x into log x plus 1 mod minus 1 by x minus 1 plus c. This is answer. Evaluate integration x dx by s cube plus s square plus x plus 1 by partial fraction. Let x by s cube plus s square plus x plus 1, this is equal to x square x plus 1 plus x plus 1, this is equal to x plus 1 into a square plus 1. Now, therefore, x by x plus 1 a square plus 1 equal to a by x plus 1 and bx plus c by a square plus 1. It is quadratic form, or x equal to a square plus 1. This denominator is multiplied on right hand side. We get bx plus c by into x plus 1. Put x equal to minus 1 in 1. X plus 1 is 0, that means put x equal to minus 1 in 1. That means minus 1 equal to a. 1 plus 1 plus minus 1 is 0, that means this term is 0, or a equal to minus half. Again, put x equal to 0 in 1. That means 0 equal to a. 0 plus 1 b into 0 plus c. 0 plus 1, or a plus c. A plus c is 0, or c equal to minus a equal to minus half equal to half, or c equal to half. From equation 1 we get x a square plus 1 plus bx plus c x plus 1, equating the coefficient of a square. We get a square coefficient left hand side is 0, that means 0. Here a into a square coefficient is a. Bx into x, therefore coefficient is b, or b equal to minus a, or b equal to minus, since a is minus half, therefore b is half. Therefore, integration of x into x plus 1 a square plus 1 dx equal to a by x plus 1 bx plus c by a square plus 1 dx. This is equal to a is minus half x plus 1 dx. B is half C is also half square plus 1 dx. This is equal to minus half log mod x plus 1 half into 2x by a square plus 1 dx plus half by a square plus 1 by a square plus 1 dx. This is equal to minus half log x plus 1 plus 1 by 4 log square plus 1 plus half tan inverse x plus c. Answer. Evaluate dx integration of s cube plus 1. This is equal to a square dx, a square into s cube plus 1. Put s cube equal to t, so that 3 square dx equal to dt. That means a square dx equal to dt by 3. S cube is t plus 1. This is equal to 1 by 3. T plus 1 and t plus 1 minus t is 1. That means here is 1 by t into t plus 1 dt. 1 by 3 t plus 1 t into t plus 1 minus t into t plus 1 dt. This is equal to 1 by 3 integration t plus 1 cancel, 1 by t minus 1 by t plus 1 dt. This is equal to 1 by 3 log mod t minus log mod t plus 1 plus c. This is equal to 1 by 3 log t by t plus 1 plus c. This is equal to 1 by 3 log t is equal to s cube by s cube plus 1 plus c. Answer. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Don't forget to turn on bell icon to get the latest videos. Thank you for watching Math Tutorials for All. For any suggestion, please do comment on the video.